I have a budget of $19 and 6 days left to thrift my Halloween costume. I'm being a vintage lady on the moon. Today we're looking for supplies like sequins and sparkly fabric to DIY a moon dress. And we're looking for a sparkly purse. See what we can do with $19 at the thrift store. Oh no, starting with a pair of Manolos in my size, but we have to say no. Because we've already thrifted 2 pairs of shoes, we do not have budget for 3. I am way too much of a chicken to thrift this. Speaking of chickens, did we teleport to 2019? I don't think this was ever used. Not an Ed Hardy plate. But wait, this is a twist. My friend just texted me she has all these leftover stars, but she wants me to trade a top I thrifted for them. I need to think about that, so let's keep looking at the thrift store. Help me pretend that we never saw this jacket. It's gorgeous. This shoe has a lot of personality, but not as much as all of these cowboy boots that I saw a few years ago. Nothing has been able to top these yet. Wow, this is so old. This is a poster from the Grand Palais in the late 70s. It's giving Halloween, but not the type that we want. This is not the first time I've seen this brand called Romantic Sue. If we could just scrub the H&M logo off of this, I feel like this is a cool case, but it's not even an option at what it's priced at. But let's head over to where some of the real sparkly stuff can be. Remember, we're looking for craft supplies, sparkly bags, and also open to any sparkly accessories. So we can't open the bag to inspect. We have to look from the outside. Nothing is standing out enough to take a financial risk on this bag. Oh no, only 1/2 of the best friend necklace. This has been here for days. What if it secretly works or it's an easy fix and we're all just passing it? These have been at the thrift store for over a week. They're Betsy Johnson. How has no one got? Did someone DIY this? Because I don't think the top matches the bottom. Does anyone know anything about violins? Is 100 good? I actually thrifted this in red before. Could there be anything sparkly on the cart? Nope. And this video of the stars is definitely staring at me in my phone. Since I only have $19 left and I need to find the entire dress, all the accessories and everything, let's go ahead and we're gonna do a trade with my friend to get all of these sparkly stick-on stars. But we still do not have a dress or a purse or any moon or star related accessories, even just sparkly accessories. And we only have $19 left and now 5 days. I'm definitely starting to feel a little nervous, especially about the DIY, because I'm okay at DIYs, but I'm not like an expert. I'm pretty nervous for how that's gonna turn out. But I believe in us and the power of watching tutorials. So follow along if you want to see how it turns out. Did I forget to mention I need to thrift the entire backdrop and make that too? Oh my goodness, I better get to work.